For the gift that keeps on giving, subscription boxes are a really great idea. They arrive monthly with a variety of gifts inside, and it's all based on a theme. Maybe it's cooking or craft beer or an art project like this one. These are a great way to stay connected to someone you don't see very often, or maybe they're housebound due to COVID, or it's a perfect way to extend the gift-giving season because who doesn't love a gift arriving at their doorstep every month? There are literally thousands of subscription boxes to choose from, whether it's for infants, teens, adults. If you can think of a theme, there's a box for it. I've come up with a few ideas, and maybe they'll spark an idea or two for you. How about Marshmallow of the Month or fun socks and underwear? There is vintage vinyl or tackle for the fishermen, unplug with family game night or puzzles, even science experiments for the kiddos. And for the foodies, bacon, popcorn, and hot sauces. There are boxes for physical and mental health, plus plants and candles. Magazines are always a favorite, as are coffee, whiskey, and cigars.